This video will teach you how to use our powerful rubric grading tool, which is used to quickly give rich, structured feedback and marks to your students. To rubric grade students, you must be on our Answers tab. Here, you can see that we're looking at every student's answer to question number 1. To rubric grade these students, click on the Rubric and Comments box, which will open the rubric panel. Notice that the RC box of the student being graded is highlighted and their name is at the top of the rubric panel. To start, click on Grading Options and decide if you want to do negative or positive grading. Negative grading starts at the maximum mark and then subtracts, and positive grading starts at 0 and then adds marks. The default is negative grading, so let's keep this for now. Now, let's set up our rubric for this question. By default, the first rubric item is already created for you and corresponds to giving full marks. To add the next rubric item, click here and then give it a mark and a description. Repeat this process until all rubric items have been added. You can also add comments as well. Unlike rubric items, comments do not have a mark associated with them. Now that our rubric is set up, let's grade the students. Since our first student got everything correct, let's apply the first rubric item, which subtracts 0 marks from the max score and therefore gives them full marks. You can see that the R for this student is now blue, which means that they've had at least one rubric item applied. Let's also select the first comment, which makes the C for comments blue as well. To go to the next student, either click Next or click the right arrow on your keyboard. This student correctly drew a triangle but missed everything else. Therefore, let's select the bottom 2 rubric items. You can proceed to grade the rest of the students like this. And before you know it, you will have given clear feedback and marks to all students. Now, let's look at 7 additional tips and tricks. 1. When you edit your rubric, the changes will be automatically applied to all students with that rubric item. 2. Click the favorites icon to save your rubric for future use. 3. To reuse past rubrics, click the import icon and then select the rubric that you want to reuse. Here's the rubric we just imported. 4. You can create rubric groups, which helps simulate a grid rubric such as this. To create a group, click here. Now, give the group a title, and then add rubric items to it like normal. Now that our rubric with groups is set up, let's grade these student essays. You can see that we're simply opening the groups and then applying the rubric items within them. 5. Use our keyboard shortcuts to rapidly apply rubric items and comments to your students. For example, press 2, 3, and then 4 to grade the first student. Now, press right to go to the next student, and then press 2 to grade them. Hit down to go to the comment section, and then select 1 to select the first comment. Continue like this to grade all students. 6. You can rubric grade a group of students at once. For example, let's select all students who made the same mistake of drawing only one chemical bond, and then click on Rubric Grading. Now, if we select any rubric items or comments, they're applied to all the students we selected. 7. Click on Mark Adjustment to change the marks of only this student. Similarly, click the plus icon to give feedback to just this student. Thanks for watching, and happy grading!